Hello guys, I am Andrea from Cuoredicioccolato and today we prepare at home, we make at home cooking cream that is not the fresh cream from the milk, but is made with oil or maybe with butter if you are lucky, but we are making it at home so we know the ingredient that we put inside. For this recipe, super easy, you need 130 grams of oil, seed oils, the one that you can find in your country, 20 grams of butter, 100 grams of milk and a pinch of salt. We put all the ingredients inside the jar and with a mini pimmer like this, you need only to mix it. And voila! In few seconds your cooking cream is ready. Let's test it. Spectacular, very creamy. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have tried to make it and you have some advice, let us know down in the comment. With the same technique you can make homemade mayo. You find the recipe here on the channel. See you in the next video. Spectacular. Usually if you clean and seal it and store in the fridge, lasts 3, 4, 5 days, but I think in the fridge can last even more, but it's so easy so you can make it and use it directly. Much easier. Bye bye. Spectacular.